Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a time limit for Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube on your iPhone. So first, let's go back to your home screen, and then we're going to tap on the settings icon on your home screen. Once you're in here, you want to go down and tap on screen time. Now, if you haven't used screen time before, you will need to set it up. And once you have set up, you will be asked to put in a pin. Once you're in here, tap on app limits and then tap on add limit. Now here we're going to put in the pin that you have set up before. And in here you can go down to entertainment, and in here you should be able to find YouTube. And then I'm going to tap on entertainment again to collapse that category. Then I'm going to tap on social category to expand out. And once it's expanded, you can choose Instagram and Facebook. Now, while you're here, you may as well choose any other apps that you would like to add to the restriction. So I have selected 3 apps already. You can continue to add any more apps that you wanted to this time limit. And then you're going to tap on next. And then you can choose the time limit for the day. So let's say you want to allow a 1 hour time limit. You choose 1 hour, and then you choose the days. By default, it is set to every day, but you can customize different time for the different days. And then I'm going to tap on back. Next, you're going to tap on the add button at the top. And now that 3 apps has been added to your app limits. Now next, what you can do is you can also tap on add limit to add in any other categories that you would like. Otherwise, we can just leave it as just to set the app limits or the time restriction to those 3 apps only. And that's it. So now whenever you are using an app, the clock will start to count. And when you are using up that 1 hour limit, then the app will be blocked out. And in order for you to continue to use the app, you will need to put in your screen time passcode so that you can have some additional time to use the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.